I love a story that I can relate to, that really resonates with me, like in my personality, things that I enjoy. I watched the pilot of an animation on YouTube that was someone's story that they've been making since they were like my age, basically, and working on it. And it inspired me to like tell stories and show my imagination in a way that writing a book, I don't think I could convey that sort of expression and passion. I'm looking to go into higher education at Newhaven, which focuses on animation solely, because I wanted to try and focus on being an indie animator. I'm really inspired by people like Povenmire and Miyazaki, people that make like Phineas and Ferb, Howl's Moving Castle, My Neighbor Totoro, people that inspire generations and just create these cultures and fan bases around their work and their passions and just the things that they enjoy. That is genuinely what I want to do and what I want to be when I'm older. A lot of spectacle that I love that you can just do in animation whenever you want, basically, like explosions, even something as small as a trail of dust leaving the floor when a character takes a step. I find myself just loving the spectacle and the story and the way it goes, and it resonates with me. Like, I love this is really cool. I love the ability to portray thoughts and dreams in a media that you can hold and you can view and you can share with other people.